It's July 2023, and we are very fortunate to have found a trail in the mountains with no risk of wildfires. Alberta has hundreds of fires burning across the province. Today's adventure, we are planning on going to the top of the summit. Emir, aka Fender Destroyer, is our trail guide for the day. He said this was a very challenging trail, but he has not been here in a long time. We are not sure what to expect. It has some very steep hills, lots of loose rock, and we just came upon our first big washout. Brad, aka Wheelie King, brought out a fresh build for this run, and he is having problems shifting it into 4-low.
Oh, you got tripped off.
You want me to get in there?
It's up to you.
What exactly did they not do in there? Because it was working great before. Did they not lower?
No, they lowered it.
They lowered it, eh? That size of thumb wrench off.
Doesn't matter. It's going to be a hammer.
10-inch? Oh, okay. There you go. So you're basically loosening it off and
Loosen the nut.
yeah, and pushing it forward,
Pushing it forward.
and then try it. Because it was stiff getting it into. It's tough to move the shifter.
So we're just gonna get it into low. Okay, go low. There you go. Okay, this will be at a home fix.
Oh, what is it hitting?
It's hitting a bolt.
Fall asleep down here. My afternoon nap. Thanks, sir.
Here, right here.
This actually can hold.
Amir's boys, aka the monkeys, entertained themselves while we were busy repairing Brad's Jeep.
I got you, son.
Yeah.
Sit on my head.
Unlike Top Gear, we don't leave.
Okay, there you go.
I don't know if you guys watch Top Gear at all.
So we just got Brad's Jeep fixed. He just had a lift put into it, so when they did the drop bracket, it's bent a little bit, and it wasn't allowing the shift linkage to move by a bolt head that was there. So we just put it in 4-low for now.
This hill is steeper than it looks on camera, with a very large washout. I really hope we can make it.
In a little predicament here.
We watched in horror as Brad's Jeep balanced on the brink of disaster. We knew he was in trouble, and we had to find a way to get to him. Fast.
We're going to put a rope on you, and I'll just pull you till you go flat. Hopefully.
All I could think about was, oh my God, his Jeep is going to roll. We can laugh now.
Picture perfect, buddy. Do you need underwear? I brought a couple of pairs.
I already asked them.
Woo! You were doing so good. You're doing fantastic. You already are having problems with the new Jeep. Well, I'm gonna tell you one thing. It's pretty clean underneath.
Yeah, that's good.
The struggle to get him out really shows how steep this is.
washout.
We successfully managed to get Brad up the trail without any complications. But we've just begun this trail. It makes me wonder what other challenges lie ahead. Is there deeper washouts and steeper hills? And what obstacles lie ahead that's going to cause us problems?
Over this way, this much. Come over my way with the front, this much. Right there.
The mountain was so steep, it was full of switchbacks. We had a blast doing them.
So his rear axle is out of the front of the Super Duty.
Oh, cool.
So he has steering knuckles. Right now they're locked.
And back.
So like he could crab, like if he set it up again, he could literally crab walk. So his Jeep would be like this, but all four tires are pointed straight.
Yeah.
It just looks so, it's so weird watching them do that.
A thick blanket of smoke from the wildfires is obstructing the view of the gorgeous mountains, leaving a ghost-like silhouette. It's a constant reminder of the devastation that a wildfire can cause.
See that?
There was one that way and this way.
One here, right here.
Yes, it did.
Then it went up.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, lightning actually, right, comes
I
from
guess
down
we
up
shouldn't
like
probably stand right beside the lightning.
Maven,
Yeah.
aka Lightning Rod, is trying to attract the next lightning bolt.
So the air's trying to expand.
The pressure is higher in the bag.
The elevation change has made the air in the bag blow up like a balloon. That's cool. Our day is over, but the mountain is not done with us yet. As we air up, it starts to rain and hail. Brad's the only one that braves the weather. What an amazing day. If you want to see more like this video, click like and subscribe.